In this clip, we're going to talk about Laban and story. If you think way back at the beginning of these clips, I talked about a movement style called Laban, where there's different kinds of movement. And sometimes I use this to make up stories. For instance, if I took two Laban terms, say flick and glide, and I made my puppet start flicking, and I find a character story might that be? Say, okay, she's walking down the street, she's happy, she sees something that sends her into a different realm, and it glides her back. So puppets do supernatural things. So that's one way to think about story.